Check us out, homie. We're on a world tour. First, we was out print maxing yesterday. We was at our EOS. We are in action out here in Houston, Texas. Well, I don't think this is Houston, this is like Missouri City, but out for land, we're out in Texas. We're trying to figure out what's the motion, what's the movements, what we doing in here today. One of the things we're doing, we're hitting a little bit of the upper. I mean, he's hitting on the upper, I'm hitting full body. So we're gonna see what we got going on. How you feeling today, bro?
I'm feeling good, bro. How you doing?
We feeling splendid in this bad boy. Every time we hit a new gym, it's a new playground. You know, you got new toys to play with, figure out what works best for you, man. So we gotta see.
New toys.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, bro. Today, they got hella bugs out here, yo.
Should I beat his ass?
So beat. He said beat. Yo, I got it for real though. You know, I made a little bit of chest in this bad boy. See what we got going on. Shit. You know, I'm always bitching about the fly machines out there. So let's see if they got good options in here for us. The low-key got hella bugs out here, but it's all right. No pasa nada, that's what I always say. Let's see what this fly machine got for us. It look prehistoric, but whatever works, man. Whatever works. Oh man, I gotta click on my goddamn shoulder instantly. All right, so far this Houston trip is treating us well. EOS yesterday. Today we got 3 days here at Alpha Land. We got a 3-day pass and gotta make the most of it here. Yo, Alpha, like, this shit, man. Hey, yo, who the fuck is you? Get out my shop. The whole time, this is putting all these other gyms to shame. Like, don't get me wrong. Lowe's got some cool shit too, but they gotta take some of these ideas, no lie. They got a bar, like a pre-workout bar area. I'm like, that's fire. I'm not gonna lie, that hangover is starting to kick in right now, actually. God damn. I thought I was good. I should've drank some more electrolytes. Fuck me. Honestly, this place feels like it's about to have a crazy pump. Just because it's humid out here, it's a little hot. Man, I cannot complain though, I'm loving it. Like, I used to hate humidity just because I hate getting sticky and shit, but if it's humidity or the damn cold, I'm taking humidity all day, every day. I can actually deal with it. So this is just one section of the gym, right? They got one really low-key section out in the back. And that look pretty nice too, but I mean, actually, now that I think about it, bro, it's like, this section is as big as the lowest one, and then the other ones, low-key lowest might be almost the same size, but that place is still a beauty.
Hey, big dog, how many sets you got left?
I like 10 left, bro.
No, fuck all that, man. I'm about to use that right now.
Yeah, what? Huh? On what? On what? On what? On one set? On one set? On the set, cut? On the set, cut? Hold on. I like nasty bitches. I like classy bitches. Love face nasty bitch. What is this, bro? Honestly, bro, the liquor's kind of hitting. I'm feeling it, bro. From last night, bro. I'm like, I tried to do the workout. I was like, hold on, the range of motion is kind of.
Oh, you want it up more?
Yeah, I just wanted some more range of motion. I want to optimize the stretch as much as possible. Yo, what the fuck? This bitch wiggles. This bitch got a wiggle to it. Look at that. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm gonna hold these, bro. These are probably a little better.
Yeah, I do that grip, bro, to be honest. I like that one more.
Yeah, this one's a little bit more tri-focused right here. Oh, guys, if you're looking for a stability workout, this might be it right here. Look at it. Whoa! Now, it's semi-popping. It's Friday, so I wasn't expecting too big of a crowd. And yeah, I mean, there's more people here than I thought, so I'm like, that's not bad, but I'm kind of fried. Yeah, liquor is doing it. It's doing its thing. It's having its effects right now. All right, boy. We got 10 reps in the tank. Let's see what we got. Come on. Do this shit, baby. Come on. Go. Yeah. Go. Come on. Everything. Go. Come on. Oh, no warm up. Fuck. Yeah, baby. Let me stop bitching, because we're still in here making it happen, and honestly, I feel good about it. I'm like, who the fuck really going to the gym after a night out like that? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, ready? Let's go. Go. Move that shit, man. Come on. Move it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. That was light work, man. Come on.
Baby
food. Bro, you didn't even need a crowd for that shit, boy. God damn, boy.
Good shit, bro.
He said, nah, that's almost 500 pounds, bro. I ain't doing that shit.
55, right?
That's almost 500 pounds. What is that, 495?
You don't do it?
I ain't doing this shit, bro. Hell nah. Nah, this shit is not gonna budge, bro. Not after last night, bro. I'm like, hell nah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Butter.
Oh. Yeah, that was actually kind of sweet, bro. Come on, baby.
That's my nigga Edgar right there. I'll be damned if I fail.
What was that shit, bro? Someone do the math. Okay, it was 390 something before? That was only like 440. Day 2 in it, bitch. And yeah, we got active last night. The whole time, I'm not feeling all that bad though. So like, so far, I got a couple reps of this shit in and it's feeling like a damn beauty. So let's see what the hell we got going on in this bad boy. Yo, I'm definitely a little out of it, but that's the name of the game. We're about to see what this shit got for us. All right, so this is one of the first ones I'm actually excited to try right here. This thing looks like a damn beauty. Prime, hold on right here. I'm about to see what the hell this shit moves. I just did them chest presses. And it didn't feel, shit wasn't terrible, but it wasn't splendid either. We're about to see how these feel. Low-key, I feel like I need to stretch, good stretch on my back here. So I'm like, oh yeah, this about to cook up. Let's see, baby. All right, let's see. So this damn thing works. Okay, no, this one is a banger though. This one is a banger. Let's see what other machines they got that are bangers. No, it's funny. I ain't bring I forgot to bring any black gym shoes. So I'm out here rocking the fucking Timbs right now, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do when you're on vacation, baby. So it's like name of the game. We're only 2 exercises in, but look, it doesn't feel terrible. It doesn't feel as bad as I thought. I woke up a little fried, but doing all right now. So let's keep this shit rolling. Fuck that. This is low-key one of them days when we're working out just to mild discomfort. No lie, bro. Cause I'm fried. I'm gonna hit the sauna. You know what? That might just be the thing. I'm about to go hit the sauna, hit a cold plunge with my ass. Hey, big dog. Got the big dogs, got the homies over there in the cut. I had my contacts in way too late last night. Look at it. I look higher than a mug. And now my eyes are fried. It's gonna be one of them glasses type of nights. Big dog, how's it feeling over there, bro? Y'all got Smith machines and shit?
Yeah, calves.
Oh, calves? Oh, okay, word. I'm doing a little bit of everything. I need to do some more legs. So I didn't do any legs yesterday. I only did like some single deadlifts and shit. Other than that, I was just dicking around a lot of yesterday, you know? Big dog, me. We on the cut. We on the cut, baby. Hold on, yeah.
Yes, sir, bro.
It's cracking out there. It's cracking out there. It's cracking, bro.